Alright, this is your geometry warm-up for Friday. It's the 20th of March, okay? So our quick warm-up before our test, okay? So here's your warm-up. 2 right triangles. Alright, so here's our first one. We've got x for one leg, 8 for the other leg, and this is across the right angle, so it's the hypotenuse. So we're going to call this one A, B, and C. So our x squared plus 8 squared equals the square root of 170 squared. Now again, if we square a square root, the square root goes away and it leaves us with just the number. So x squared plus 64 equals 170. Subtract 64 from both sides. Okay, so x squared equals 106. Okay, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Okay, so x equals root 106. Okay, and if I'm given x equals the square root of 106, I can write it that way. Or I could say, okay, what is the square root of 106? Second square root of 106. And you get x equals 10.295. Or you could say x equals 10.3 if you're rounding a bit. Okay, so that is that problem. Okay, checking one other thing. Alright. Looking at our second problem here. This time we're not given a missing, we're given another missing leg. So again, we'll make that A, we'll make this B, we'll make this C. So x squared plus 14 squared equals 18 squared. X squared plus, I don't know these in my head. Alright, 14 squared is 196. 18 squared is 324. Okay, now subtract that 196 from both sides. So I get x squared equals 128. Square root that thing. X equals. We could leave it as the square root of 128. Struggling with my calculator. Alright. We could do with the decimals last time, and x equals 11.3137. Okay, or 11.3 would be fine. Alright, but we could also reduce it with its number that goes into it. So let's think of perfect numbers. 4, 9, 16, 36, 64. Try and see if you can push yourself, if you could reduce this with a radical. I know it's been a minute, but just a little push if you want to try. All right, good job.